toning your tummy fast is easier than you think, and you don't even need to hit the floor. Today, I'm sharing 10 standing abs exercises that will transform your core without the discomfort of traditional workouts. Let's dive in. First up is the standing bicycle crunch. This move targets your obliques and improves core stability. It's simple, effective, and perfect for improving your balance. Next, we have the standing Russian twist. Twist from side to side while engaging your core to boost flexibility and work your abs from every angle. Want to target those lower abs? The standing leg raise is a must-try. It strengthens your core and improves posture at the same time. After that, we move into the standing side plank. This one engages your obliques and enhances core stability without needing to get down on the mat. Now, let's talk about the standing chest fly. It's a full-body exercise that engages your chest and core together, making your workout more efficient. Then, there's the standing side bend. This classic move really stretches and tones your waistline while activating your core. The standing wood chopper comes next. It's a rotational exercise that works your abs and boosts overall strength, making everyday movements easier. For core strength and balance, try the standing pull-off press. It's a great anti-rotation exercise that challenges your stability and control. And finally, we wrap things up with standing flutter kicks. This move is excellent for targeting your lower abs and is a great way to finish your workout strong. One of the biggest benefits of standing abs exercises, they improve your posture and core stability, making everyday activities easier and reducing back pain. You'll also notice better balance, which can improve performance in other workouts like yoga or weightlifting. Plus, there's no denying the confidence boost of a stronger, flatter stomach. Remember, results come with consistency. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine and track your progress. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite move from today's list? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more fitness tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and let's keep getting stronger together.